Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing the phone itself, because locking the notification area depends on lock screen protection being active. Make sure you have PIN, pattern, password, or biometrics enabled. Once done, go straight to Settings and choose Security or Face/Touch ID depending on your OS. If settings looks different, use the search bar to find Lock Screen or Notifications. Now that you're in the right menu, keep this screen open and prepare to change Notification Visibility and Quick Settings Access. Next, you change what appears when the device is locked. Tap Notifications or Lock Screen Notifications and pick an option like Hide Sensitive Content or Don't Show Notifications at all. This prevents message previews from appearing. Then look for an option labeled Quick Settings, Notification Shade, or Pull Down on Lock Screen and turn it off. Doing both stops the notification bar from revealing content and prevents the shade from being pulled down when the device is locked. Improving privacy. Finally, verify the change. Lock the device and try to pull down the notification bar. It should be blocked or empty. If it still opens, reboot the phone to apply policies, then recheck those lock screen notification and quick settings toggles. If problems persist, inspect manufacturer-specific settings. Some skins add separate lock screen controls, and disable any third-party lock or notification managers that might override system behavior. One troubleshooting tip: remove or update apps that modify status bar behavior, then repeat the test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.